Petalomonas is a genus of small euglenids. They are typically about 25 microns in length. There are many species. A few species are shown here in the accompanying diagram. Note that the Latin names reflect particular anatomical features of the body of the organism. Mediocanalata, a canal running down the middle of the organism's body. Elata, wings. Bicarinata, ridges, two of them. Asymmetrica, an asymmetrical or non-symmetric surface or outline. Particular attention should be paid to the appearance of P. elata and the depiction of its membranous wings. These are intermittently visible in the accompanying video, suggesting that the species shown in the video may actually be P. elata. Similar glimpses of keels or ridges on the organism's surface are also suggested by some brief sequences in the video. Petalomonas typically has a single, long, visible, emergent flagellum, usually directed anteriorly. This flagellum is seen to originate from an anterior pocket or reservoir, from which it is said to be emergent. A second, short, non-emergent flagellum is known to be present, but is usually not visualized and is difficult to see. The organism is usually colorless and shows no eye spot. The anterior flagellum is generally rigid, even when the organism is swimming, except for its anteriormost tip, which moves continuously in a vibratile manner, carrying the organism along on a smoothly gliding path. This, then, is the locomotor flagellum. The body of Petalomonas is usually flattened, and when the organism is in motion, the body appears stiff and rigid. Various species are leaf-shaped, oval or ovoid, or piriform in outline. The organism's pellicle is rigid and not at all plastic or flowing when it is in motion. The pellicle often shows evidence of straight ribbing or spiral furrows or one or more keels. Paraamylon bodies are common in the cytoplasm of Petalomonas. Paraamylon bodies are a storage form of carbohydrate collected as granular polysaccharides. Here, one can observe the flagellum rigidly extended anteriorly, with the tip actively gyrating. The organism's upper border shows a wing-like membrane which runs the entire length of the organism's body. Note here that the purportedly rigid anterior flagellum is really quite flexible and is used to detect objects in the environment and initiate directional change.